To fix an ONN TV making a buzzing noise, start by identifying the source of the issue. The buzzing noise can be caused by a variety of factors including loose connections, faulty hardware, or software glitches. Begin by checking all cables and connections to ensure they are securely plugged in. Verify that the power cord is properly connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Next, try restarting the TV to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve software-related problems if the noise persists. Check for any firmware updates and install the latest version. Outdated software can cause a range of issues, including strange noises. If the problem is not software-related, it may be a hardware issue. Check the TV's speakers and amplifiers for any signs of damage or wear. If you have external speakers connected, try disconnecting them to see if the noise is coming from the TV's internal speakers. Additionally, check the TV's settings to ensure that the volume is not set too high, as this can cause the speakers to vibrate and produce a buzzing noise. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a more serious problem with the TV's internal components, such as a faulty capacitor or transformer. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional for repair or replacement. Regular maintenance can also help prevent issues like this from occurring. Make sure to clean the TV's vents and fans to prevent dust buildup, which can cause overheating and damage to the internal components. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your ONN TV making a buzzing noise. If the problem persists, it is best to consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer's support team for further assistance.